Have you been looking for a beautiful home to rent, one that can accommodate a large family, or maybe you need space for your in-laws to have their own personal suite in the basement? Another great opportunity could be for two close groups of friends to live together and then be able to split all the expenses associated with operating a home. Situated in a wonderful neighborhood of Brantford, centrally located and within walking distance to all major amenities. With 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, large living spaces, completely updated, parking for 4 vehicles, and a 2-car garage, this is definitely a great property for you to call home.